here at US Salt, we are a solution mining salt facility. Out here we have numerous wells that we pressurize with water, and we extract that water through 2 evaporator sets or 2 trains to make the evaporated salt that we have here at US Salt. We really do have a team here. It is very family oriented. It takes a team to make it happen day to day here at US Salt.
Ever since I've been here, I think I was welcomed with open arms when I came in. What I noticed, everybody here is kind of tight group. They're like a big family. So no matter who you are, the employees welcome you in. They work with you every day. They speak open-minded to you. So it's just a great working environment. I mean, this could be a lifelong career for you. It's a great place to work.
US Salt truly is a family. I'm one of many legacies within this facility. I'm 4th generation. Our outgoing plant manager now has got over 45 years of service here. He goes back to his grandmother working here and can remember her working on the sewing line. It's really just a great atmosphere. Along with camaraderie, we have fathers and son duos that work here, uncles and nephews and nieces and cousins, and it's definitely a really cool environment. A lot of the kids that I grew up with throughout high school, either I'm working with them now in our small hometown, or I'm working with their parents, which is kind of cool.
We have very low turnover as compared to other similar businesses. We have great benefits. We have some pretty darn decent hours. And again, it is family-like, team-centered environment here at US Salt.
Every day, we just try to strive to do better. I mean, my goal every day is to beat my production rate from the day prior. Everybody works together to do that. We have competition between shifts to see who can produce the most. And with that, give out little rewards for it, and it keeps everybody going day to day. Everybody's willing to work together, and it's a great environment. You're never by yourself. You need help, you ask anybody in the plant, they'll help you no matter what the job is.
One of our guiding principles is that people and the environment are US Salt's most valuable assets. I want to emphasize people. Without the 200 people that come to US Salt Monday through Sunday, 24/7, salt does not get in a can, it doesn't get into a bag, it doesn't get shipped out to our customers. Although you might not think it, salt is a life-saving commodity. It's put in numerous different pharmaceuticals. We're one of the few companies within the US that produce pharmaceutical-grade salt. Without it, people would, literally be dying without the products that we create. It's really a great facility. I can't emphasize that really enough. We really look out for our employees. It's got some of the best benefits around as far as health benefits, compensation, retirement plans. You name it, it seems like we always take the next step. We just don't meet the minimum. We try to exceed the maximum of what we can do for everybody. We truly look out for our employees. Anybody who's a big race fan obviously knows we have Watkins Glen International. We have the largest of the Finger Lakes. There's boat cruises on the lake, there's hotels, there's the state park. It's got the gorge in it. They've got an Olympic-sized swimming pool. You have the wineries, the breweries, and the national forest. There's so much to do in the region.
We are a growing company, although we have around 200 employees currently. But the sky's the limit. If you want to be part of a growing team, I would really encourage you to join us.
I'm Brandon Swartz with US Salt, and we make salt.